Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add additional guest names to your hotel booking on booking.com. Keep in mind that you cannot add guest names during the booking process itself. So you have to make the booking first. Once you have finished booking, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your account name. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for Bookings and Trips and click on it. This will take you to a page showing all your past and current bookings. Now find the booking you want to edit and click on it. This will redirect you to a new page with all the details of your reservation. Scroll down until you reach the Your Room Details section. Here you will see an option that says Edit Guest Name. Click on that. Now to add the names, simply place a comma after the first name and type in the second name. If you want to add a third name, just add another comma followed by the next name. Booking.com also provides helpful text right under this field reminding you to separate the names with commas. After adding all the names, click on Save. Once you have added all the guest names, refresh the page, then click on Print Confirmation. On the print page, select Print as PDF as your destination and then click on Save. When you open the saved PDF, you will see that all the names you added are now reflected in your booking confirmation. You can use this PDF as proof of your hotel booking. And that's it. You have successfully added additional guest names to your booking.com reservation. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy travels.